Hey everyone, Scoot here. We're going to be opening this Web3 edition Veefriends box. So, come on. Come on, guys. I think this is our box number 10. I'm not 100% sure on that. It's kind of all blurring together now. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 packs. Here we go. We have pulled, I would say our luck has been very good so far with pulling decent cards. And as we say that, oh my word, let's go. Skill Skeleton, Nifty, Narwhal, oh, Alert Ape. That's new. No. No. No chance, guys. A chase card. Oh, my word. Let's go, guys. The day that I decide not to live stream this, of course we pull him. Wow. Wow. Talk about, jeez. Talk about luck. I was just saying that I've been having some decent luck. Wow. Let's see if we can increase this luck. If that's all we get from this box, I am super happy. But you know what? I've got faith that there's more fire in here. Wow. That was pretty awesome. If you guys know about the Flexin' Fox, that is a huge chase. Oh, I believe people have paid hundreds of dollars for that card. We do got a hit in here as well. Alright, so I think we've got tons of these little guys. The beavers. I feel like, oh, maybe not. I feel like he's one that's pulled fairly often. Even though there's only 500 total of him that you guys can get. I still can't believe we needed the Alert Ape. We needed the Flexin' Fox. And the Flexin' Fox was a pretty penny to buy it. So that just saved me a lot of money from having to buy it. Now, I hope we can get something else that we need. Wow. What a box. What a absolute box, guys. So almost all of these we already have. But I probably am going to start a second, maybe even a third set. We'll see. Okay, we got another hit. Jump right to it. A rare 301 of 500. Come on. Let the fire continue. Even though we really can't complain at all. We just love hyping these packs up. Because you never know what we're going to pull. Yeah, we've got... I'm not sure if we got the octopus or not, so let's just set him off to the side. Give us an epic. Give us an epic, guys. We may need this one, I'm not sure. Maybe that one. We'll put him off to the side. 2 packs left, guys. 2 packs left and anything's possible. And another hit. Mojo Mouse. That might be a new one. I'm not sure, but it might be. I feel like these we already have as far as rares go. But we can't complain. We pulled 3 rares. Gifted gopher. Might be no. Wow, that was awesome. That was totally awesome, guys.